Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is July 8th and it is like 9:30 at night. But I want to film this video now because I cannot wait till tomorrow. I'm just super excited for this. So earlier today, my lights came in. And like I said in my last video, I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys. So we're going to do that right now. I can't wait. I'm super excited and I just want to see what they look like already. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. I'm reading the caution. Cool. So it says cut the sides first. So I'm gonna cut the sides first, I guess. As you guys can see, everything is set up. All that's left to do is to plug these up. I'm going to turn the first one on. Whoa. Without the lights, now with. Whoa, that is so cool. Oh my goodness. Now that my lights are set up, I guess I can show you guys the tapestry that I got. I forget how much it was like 13, 14 bucks. I don't really know. I wanted a new tapestry because I'm kind of sick of this one. And this one I got a queen. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Hold on, let me stand up. Wow, look at how cute this is. I'm really excited about my tapestry. I can't even fit all of it into frame, how big it is. I'm not gonna actually put it on my wall until later, but here's it folded up, what it looks like. This is so beautiful, I'm so excited for this. The last thing that I got from Amazon was an iPhone tripod because I'm starting to like vlogging, so I don't wanna have to hold my phone, but comes in box like this. And let's see what it looks like. It's one of the flexible ones, so this is what it looks like. It's obviously small, but I'm only gonna have to hold it like this. And you can like bend the thing, so like, it's so cool. I like these a lot. My friend has one. I use it all the time, so I got my own. It's just a mini handheld tripod. You can attach a phone, a GoPro, or an actual camera. I think this one is for GoPros, and then this one is for like DSLR cameras. Last thing that comes in here is a iPhone adapter, which I have one for my actual tripod that I'm using right now. But this tripod came with another one, and it looks like this. You can like take it out. You can put it on horizontal, which is what I recommend, or you can put it on vertically. So yeah, there's that. That is all for this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Make sure to follow me on all my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.